So when it comes to face sagging, whenever there is sagging present on especially this area, when the skin scales down, thread lift is an excellent procedure for getting that lift, to lift the entire sagging skin down and to get relief from your nasolabial fold as well as get improvement in your jowls. 2 to 3 threads on this side and this side on both sides of face can get great improvement in your sagging skin, and it is an excellent procedure for immense collagen boosting as compared to other procedures like radio frequency and HIFU. One session of coke thread lift is equivalent to 7 to 8 sessions of HIFU or radio frequency. So thread lift overall improves the skin texture, it gives you an excellent lift and helps you to solve your problem of skin sagging which is present on your face.